on another level. Oh, you can talk all you want. See me, I see prayed up, nothing I'm afraid of, and I can have it all. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let go. Level up, 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 level up. All this on me so yummy.
Hey guys, it's Ariana here at Unexpected Designs, and I'm here to show you guys my new do. Now this, of course, is so unexpected because you guys probably never seen me with color. And I wanted to try something new, but I wasn't ready to do something permanent. So what better way to do it than with the wig? Rasta Free Braid has a sister company called Fashion Source Wigs, aka FS Wigs, and they have a ton of wigs that you guys can choose from. So let's get into it. Now this wig that I have on is their EZL Delta in the color GTOM Silver, which is a black ombre that transitions into silver. I absolutely love the fact that this collar length wig was created to give you a deep natural part to blend in with the scalp. And it has an adjustable band to make sure that your wig is secure. This baby is not coming off. I also use Got to Be Glued, the gel, and a little bit of the spray, so it's perfect. And although this wig is ready to go out of the box, I decided to pluck my middle part just a little bit to make it more realistic to my liking. And of course, I had to lay the baby hairs. I use my real baby hairs. Of course, you can cut yours if you want to. But like I said, I just wanted this to look as realistic as possible. And it was super easy to do. The name fits perfect for this wig. And the big surprise of it all is this hair is synthetic. Yes, ladies, this is a high temperature fiber that is just as good as human hair. And it's curling iron safe up to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. So it is flame retardant, so you don't have to worry about your hair catching on fire. So if you want to rock it straight, you can rock it straight. If you want to curl it, you can curl it. You can do absolutely anything with this hair. You can put some flexi rods in it if you want to. Switch it up, do you, boo? I'm super in love with this wig. And I'm calling this baby Storm because I'm going to be storming out on the town with this. I feel like I have like superpowers or something. Like, it's so good to feel like you can actually step outside of the box and try something new. And what better way to do it than with a wig? And what better way to do that is with FS Wigs. You got to choose wisely, y'all. So go out and purchase this hair. You can purchase this at your local beauty supply store. And if you want to see their different collections, you can go to GSIHair.com. I believe that's right. If not, I'll tag it. And yeah, just check us out or follow them on Instagram at FS Wigs. And of course, I want you guys to continue to follow Unexpected Designs. I absolutely appreciate the love and support that you guys give me. I'm going to try to step outside of my comfort zone, like I said, and just try different things. So I hope you guys will stay tuned and follow along. Thank you guys. And how can I forget? Now that's so unexpected. Bye.